Okay guys, auxiliary gas tank. I just cut the face off, cut this piece out, portion of the metal out so you guys can get a closer look at how this flange is attached to this rubber bellow or this rubber boot. This flange is mated to this rubber boot. Of course, this is dry rotted, broke off, but this flange that mounts to the face of the body or the exterior is mounted, is made onto this. This is a metal. This is a piece of metal that's made onto this rubber boot. I noticed 4 bolts here. The problem is, how do you get to them? How do you get to these 4 bolts? I was going to cut this open so we can see where they're located, but I don't want to mess the plastic up. I have removed this shield. This is on the channel. This shield is on the channel. There's a 7/16 bolt there. There's a bolt here. There's a bolt there. And there's a bolt also there, I believe, for that plastic. Maybe, no, that's for the, that bolt there is for the strap that holds this auxiliary tank in. However, how do you get to these 4 bolts? So let's put some WD-40 on them. Let's get the camera mount here, and let's try to do all this on film. Let's get this shield out of our way. We'll also just put some lubricant here. All right, we got that one. Like another strap, both, they're all 7/16. Okay, now we see how it's exposed over there. There's a clamp up top up there. You see those 4 bolts? Okay, this is a 1/2-inch bolt here. There's another bolt back there, so I just took the strap off here. Like a gas tank strap, like that strap right there. Just took it off. I'm gonna drop the tank real quick, guys. I got a video on how to remove the tank. I'm gonna drop the tank and pull it out of our way real quick. Be back in a second. Okay, guys, I got it off. So I kind of figured out how you can remove it. Once you remove the tank, you got access to the back side here. Let's go back here and look and see. The tank, when you remove the tank and the return, you got all access to back here to remove it, because now you can swivel it. You can maneuver it. Hence, there's them other 2 bolts. So we're just gonna pull it out from this rubber and get a better look at it. So you can easily replace this rubber piece as well. Those 4 bolts. This is how it's attached. This is how it's made. Let me cut this off. This goes to the front. So this is the return. It also comes into the tank. So it has 2 returns up top. This comes from the fuel pump from the front. This goes to the tank. This line is made out of rubber holes. Look how flat it is. It's flattened. So, something you can note. This is rubber. It's flattened. Look at this. It's flattened. So let's let me cut this. Pull out, get a closer look, and close the video off. Or we can also get up here real quick and show you guys how you can replace that rubber boot or rubber flange. And I guess it connects here. You can just remove the clamp and remove it here as well. Look in here. Plastic is kind of brittle. And there you can see. So it's not in the best shape. There you go, guys. This is it. Finally revealed how it looked. It looks. Alright, that's it. It's a wrap for this video. Just want to share this. Stay tuned for the next one.